KLA Tencor is in the semiconductor equipment business. We are a global company with about 5,400 employees worldwide. We focus on yield acceleration, so we let our customers bring these semiconductor chips to market faster. Our view is that IT should have an audacious view of the world. IT is also a business, and the aspirations of any business should be audacious. And in Citrix, we have found a partner to share our vision of what we call the democratization of IT. It is the freedom of our employees to be able to use any device and bring them into the enterprise.
One of the problems we were trying to solve is if an engineer in the field in a remote location happened to have a hardware or software failure, we had to rely on traditional means of basically flying another laptop out, and that would take from 1 day to 3 days before he's back online. That's obviously not acceptable. But with virtualization now, if he was given any laptop with any type of browser or functionality, he could quickly be up in minutes. And it became pretty apparent that the time to recovery was going to be a big winner for us. Virtualized technology is going to allow us to be back there faster for the customer.
Citrix has been a partner for many years. We use Citrix Zen Server for the back end. We use Citrix Zen Desktop for the front end. It's about looking at the business problem, seeing the pain points inside of the business, whether it's a traveling user, mobility, untethered desktops, or whatever it is, and being able to provide the solutions and the frameworks and the processes that are required to make it possible.
Since I travel a lot, I have a very light, thin, low-power laptop, and that doesn't work well with the high-power CRM reports I'm trying to run. We have a conflict of interest here. Since these reports sometimes take an hour, when I launched that on my laptop, I was a prisoner to my office for that next hour. What I was able to get with the virtualized environment is basically a Xeon server in the background running through my laptop seamlessly. And as I found out as a perk is power down the laptop. Once I start that report in the virtualized environment, I can turn off my laptop, leave, get on a plane, go to Germany, power up. Once I'm on the network, open up that virtualized desktop. My report's there, it's finished. It's sitting right where I need it to be. Take the data off of it and get on with my life.
We do development globally today. The ability to collaborate on a unified platform like the virtual desktop will only speed the time to market of our products. And intellectual property, which is of prime importance to KLA Tencor, is preserved. We don't have our IP scattered along on different devices that we can't keep track of. Through virtual desktop, we can control that environment very well.
We don't think IT should be the person who's telling you when you should work or how you should work and out of which device. We give you the means, and then you as the end consumer choose what you want to do with it. So whether you work 24/7 or you work for 4 hours in a day, as long as you meet the objectives of your job, that's good enough for the IT department. We believe that it's going to change the way we do business.
Virtual computing technologies gives you better cost efficiencies, it gives you better productivity, it gives you flexibility from a user standpoint, and better intellectual property protection. So every constituent of the business has a win, both from an IT standpoint and also from a business standpoint. And therefore, we've chosen that we're going to be leading in this area rather than following.